Hello, in this exercise we're going to work out a definite integral, and the definite integral is the integral between 0 and pi upon 4 of d theta over 1 minus sine theta. We want the answer in the simplest possible form. Now, to find the indefinite integral is a fairly routine exercise. It's simplifying the numerical value, which is adds just a little bit more to it. Okay, so first of all, the routine substitution here is to let u equal tan theta over 2. So du is 1/2 sec squared theta over 2 d theta, which means that du is 1 plus tan squared theta over 2 d theta. And as u equals tan theta over 2, that can be written as 1 plus u squared d theta. And then the integral will transform to the integral of 2 du over 1 plus u squared times 1 minus 2u over 1 plus u squared, which simplifies to 2 du over 1 plus u squared minus 2u, which is 2 du over 1 minus u squared. I've left the limits out for the time being. And then integrating that, that's a fairly standard integral, so that's 2u to the minus 1, that's the integral of 2u minus 1 to the power minus 2 with respect to u, and that is minus 2u minus 1 to the power minus 1, which of course is minus 2 over u minus 1, or 2 over 1 minus u. Now the limits are 0 and tan pi upon 8. So I will equal 2 over 1 minus tan pi upon 8 minus 2, and that simplifies to 2 tan pi upon 8 over 1 minus tan pi over 8. Now we've got to work out what tan pi upon 8 is. And we use the fact that pi upon 8 is half of pi upon 4, and tan pi upon 4 is 1. So we have 1 equals tan pi upon 4, and then using the double angle formula, that equals 2 tan pi over 8 over 1 minus tan squared pi over 8. And that means that 1 minus tan squared pi upon 8 is 2 tan pi upon 8. And then getting everything to one side, we have a quadratic equation. 0 equals tan squared pi over 8 plus 2 tan pi over 8 minus 1. And therefore, using the quadratic equation formula, tan pi over 8 equals minus 2 plus the square root of 4 plus 4 all over 2 equals square root of 2 minus 1. I haven't used the negative square root because we know that tan pi upon 8 has to be a positive quantity. Right, so that then means that I equals 2 bracket root 2 minus 1 all over 1 minus root 2 plus 1, which is 2 bracket root 2 minus 1 over root 2 bracket root 2 minus 1, which is square root of 2. And that's the final answer. Thanks very much for listening.